Are you tired of looking at that thin, crinkly skin on your arms, legs, or chest, and wondering if anything actually works? If you're noticing your skin is starting to look and feel a bit like crepe paper, you are not alone. It's one of the most common concerns heard in dermatology clinics every single day. Patients often arrive feeling frustrated, like they've wasted hundreds of dollars on creams that promise the world but deliver very little, leaving them feeling self-conscious and just wanting to cover up. This guide, based on the expertise of board-certified dermatologists, is here to cut through all that noise. It will share 5 evidence-based hacks that will genuinely help tighten and smooth your skin. It will cover everything from a powerhouse ingredient you can find at the drugstore for less than a morning coffee, to a simple tool you can use at home to help your skin rebuild what it's lost. Forget the empty promises. These are real strategies, backed by science, that dermatologists give their own patients to get visible results. Be sure to wait for hack number 4 that can transform your skin, making it look 20 years younger. What is crepey skin, and why do we get it? Before diving into the hacks, let's quickly talk about what crepey skin is. Picture crepe paper streamers. The skin becomes thin, fragile, and finely wrinkled, losing its bounce. This happens because of a breakdown in your skin's support structure. Collagen, which gives skin its firmness, and elastin, which provides its snap. The number one cause is sun damage, which actively destroys these proteins. The second is natural aging. Our bodies produce about 1% less collagen every year, starting in our mid-20s. Other factors include significant weight changes and dehydration, which makes crepiness look worse. The good news is that you can absolutely fight back by protecting the collagen you have and kickstarting your skin to build more. Before we get to the hacks, we'd love to get to know our community. Tell us your age and where you're watching from in the comments below. We are reading and replying to every comment. Let's start with the one step so crucial that without it, every other hack is basically a waste of your time and money. Hack number 1. The Non-Negotiable Foundation, sun protection. The first hack is the one every single dermatologist will agree on, and it's the most important step of all: diligent sun protection. You simply can't win the battle against crepey skin if you're not shielding it from the very thing causing the most damage. Using sunscreen every day is the foundation that stops crepey skin from getting worse. And that doesn't just mean for your face. It means a broad-spectrum formula with an SPF of 30 or higher, applied to the neck, chest, arms, legs, anywhere that texture is visible. Think of it this way: using powerful ingredients to build collagen without using sunscreen is like trying to build a new house during a hurricane. The sun will just keep tearing down everything you're working so hard to build. This must become a daily habit, just like brushing your teeth. Find a formula you enjoy using, whether it's a lotion, spray, or stick, and put it on every single morning. And don't forget, sunscreen isn't a one-and-done deal. If you're outside for a long time, swimming or sweating, you need to reapply. This one habit is the best insurance policy against future damage. It's truly non-negotiable. With your skin protected, it's time for our next hack, which puts your skin's collagen production into overdrive, all while you're sleeping. Hack number 2. The Collagen Rebuilder, retinoid body lotions. The second hack is to work a retinoid body lotion into your nightly routine. Retinoids, which are all forms of vitamin A, are the undisputed champions in dermatology for firing up new collagen production. Dermatologists have used them on the face for decades to fight wrinkles, and now there are fantastic formulas designed specifically for the body. Here's how they work. Retinoids sink into the deeper layer of your skin and act like messengers, telling cells to get busy making new, healthy collagen and elastin. They also speed up cell turnover on the surface, which helps thicken the top layer of your skin over time, making it stronger and less fragile. The result? Skin that looks and feels thicker, firmer, and smoother. You'll find different kinds. Prescription strength is called tretinoin, But there are tons of effective over-the-counter retinol options that are perfect for the body and available at all price points. The secret to success is to start low and go slow to avoid getting red or flaky. Start by applying a pea-sized amount to each arm or leg, just 2 or 3 nights a week. If your skin is happy after a few weeks, you can slowly work your way up to using it every night. And always use them at night, since they can make your skin more sensitive to the sun, which brings us right back to why hack number 1 is so critical. Get ready for an instant glow-up. This next hack not only smooths the surface of your skin, but also boosts the effectiveness of everything else you apply. Hack number 3. The Surface Smoother, Alpha Hydroxy Acids, AHAs. The third hack focuses on the surface of your skin. If your crepey skin also feels rough, dry, or looks dull, it's time to bring in an alpha hydroxy acid, or AHA. Specifically, look for body lotions with glycolic acid or lactic acid. AHAs are known as chemical exfoliants. They work by dissolving the glue that holds dead, dull skin cells together on the surface. By sweeping away that top layer, they instantly give you brighter, smoother-looking skin. This isn't just about a quick glow-up. That exfoliation also helps other products, like retinoids, sink in and work even better. But the benefits don't stop there. Studies show that AHAs, like retinoids, can also help stimulate collagen in the long run, making them a perfect partner in your routine. Lactic acid is a popular choice for the body. It has a slightly larger molecule than glycolic acid, which makes it a bit gentler, and it's also a humectant, meaning it helps pull moisture into the skin. You can find amazing AHA body lotions right at the drugstore. To work this in, it's suggested to alternate nights with your retinoid. For example, use a retinoid on Monday, an AHA lotion on Tuesday, a retinoid on Wednesday, and so on. Using both on the same night can be too much for most people's skin, especially when starting out. It's time to take your results to the next level. This next hack acts like a high-tech workout for your skin, energizing its collagen factories from deep within. Hack number 4. The at-home tightening tool, red light therapy. This hack is for those who want to take their results to the next level without a trip to the doctor's office. The fourth hack is to look into an at-home red light therapy, RLT device. This is a totally non-invasive tool you can use at home to help tighten skin over time. So how does it work? In a nutshell, red light at a very specific wavelength can penetrate deep into the skin. There, it gets absorbed by the mitochondria, the powerhouses inside skin cells. This gives the cells an energy boost, and with that extra energy, they can do their jobs better. One of their most critical jobs is making collagen and elastin. So, by using RLT consistently, you're basically supercharging the skin's own natural collagen factories. Now, it's really important to have realistic expectations. This isn't a quick fix. At-home devices are not as powerful as the big machines in dermatology clinics, so results are gradual. Consistency is everything. The device will need to be used for several minutes on each area, several times a week, for a few months, before a real change in firmness and texture becomes visible. Think of it like a workout for your skin. It won't happen overnight, but with dedication, it's a powerful, safe, and pain-free way to support a topical routine. Our final hack tackles crepey skin from the inside out, using the power of nutrition and hydration to rebuild your skin structure. Hack number 5. The inside-out approach, diet and supplements. The final hack is all about tackling crepey skin from the inside out. What you put into your body has a huge impact on your skin's health and its ability to repair itself. First things first, hydration. Drinking plenty of water all day helps keep skin cells plump and happy. A dehydrated body means dehydrated skin, and that will always make crepiness look so much more obvious. Also, try to eat a diet packed with antioxidants. Think colorful fruits and vegetables, which help protect your skin from damage. A big question that often arises is, what about collagen supplements? Can you really drink your way to better skin? The evidence here is growing, and it can be called cautiously optimistic. The most promising supplements use hydrolyzed collagen peptides. These are smaller, broken down pieces of collagen that the body can absorb more easily. The idea is that these peptides give your body the exact building blocks it needs to produce its own new collagen. Several studies have shown that taking collagen supplements consistently can improve skin hydration, elasticity, and the look of wrinkles. It's worth noting that many of these studies are funded by the industry. Some research suggests you could see benefits in about 4 to 12 weeks. If you want to try it, look for a reputable brand with hydrolyzed marine or bovine collagen peptides, and maybe one that also has vitamin C, which your body needs to actually make collagen. Just think of this as a supportive player. It's not going to replace sunscreen or retinoids, but it can be a helpful piece of the overall puzzle. When to see a dermatologist. While these at-home hacks can make a real difference, for those who want more dramatic or faster results, dermatologists have incredibly effective treatments that can be done in the office. One of the go-to treatments for crepey skin is using what are known as biostimulatory fillers. Instead of just adding volume, products like Sculptra and Radiesse are injected into the skin, where they act as a scaffold and trigger the body's own collagen-making process. The results build up gradually, look very natural, and can last for 2 years or even longer. Energy-based devices, like fractional lasers and radiofrequency RF microneedling, are also used. These treatments create thousands of tiny, controlled heat points in the deeper layers of the skin. The body responds with a powerful healing process, leading to a massive surge in new collagen and elastin that tightens and thickens the skin from the inside. These are definitely the heavy hitters for making a major improvement in skin texture. While that was a lot of information, the two most powerful, scientifically proven tools to use at home are protecting your skin from the sun every day and using a retinoid body lotion at night to rebuild that collagen. Now, it would be great to hear from the community. Have you tried any products or treatments that have really worked for your crepey skin? Share your wins and your questions in the comments below. It's a fantastic way for everyone to learn from each other. And finally, if you found this video helpful and you want more clear dermatologist-backed advice, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the community and allows for more content like this to be made. Thank you for watching.